Hey guys, on today's video I'm going to teach you how to download Metal Gear Solid with your Xbox for free. So that's if you have gold, right? So let's just go right into store. Under store, you guys are going to scroll down until you see memberships. Now there's many ways to get here. It's just one way, okay? So memberships. I know a lot of people tell me, oh, that's the long way, but you know, it's one way to get here, and it's pretty straightforward if I do it this way. Anyways, from here, if you guys have Xbox Live Gold, like I said, you guys can get this for free, Metal Gear Solid. Okay, all you guys have to do is just click on A, and then you're done. You can also download all these other games. Okay, so as you know, every month you guys get to download a few things for free, which is pretty cool. Anyways, just make sure you have enough space for this game. It's not humongous, but it is up there. So let's just, there we go, click on it, and it's gonna start downloading once we put get. As you can see right now, it does strike off the $29.99 and it says free. Of course, that's with your Xbox Live Gold membership, right? So that's 100% off, and that will only last until the specific date up there. So as long as you click on get, you guys are ready to go. It's gonna download just like any other game, and then you guys will get to play it. Okay, it will take some time, especially for me right now, since I'm downloading a few other games. They're on their way, so this will take some time. Anyways, that's it for this video tutorial. If you guys have any questions, comments, you can write them down here below in the comments area, and don't forget to subscribe and rate. Thank you.